Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is kung paano kayo kikita dito kay Rome Golden Age. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rome Golden Age. Let's go! So, welcome back to the channel guys. So today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba kayo makakapag-participate sa airdrop ni Rome Golden Age and at the same time, kung paano nga ba kayo kikita dito sa game na to. Now guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na this is not a financial advice kasi related pa rin naman to guys sa Web3. So please make sure lang na mag-research kayo sa mga projects na pinapasok nyo para at least aware kayo kung worth it ba tong laruin for you or not. Okay? Again guys, huwag niyong sayangin yung oras nyo. Okay, kasi limited lang yung oras natin, guys. So, please make sure na i-maximize nyo just in case man na magustuhan nyo yung game na to. Please make sure to make progress in the game as well para at least kumita talaga kayo ng real money. But anyway, pag-usapan natin, guys, muna yung naging revamp nila sa tokenomics. So, marami kasing naging changes dito after the integration happens. So, before, ang way to earn dito is either crafting Chromex, okay, yung Chromex token, and then yung isa naman is gonna be the crystal. So crystals are actually being used by a lot of players. Okay, yung crystals na yon binibenta nila sa auctions or sa marketplace, and that crystals are being sold out sa market. Yung kapalit, of course, is yung dias na pwedeng mong i-craft into Chromex. Okay? But now, they actually created a new economy for cross network. All right. So I think there's also new servers na na-release. So currently, we're at, I think, Ratan 4 ata yun. Or nakalimutan ko yung name ng server. Kung ano yung server na pinasukan natin eh. But nagpapa-level tayo right now. And as you can see, we're at level 52. So kung mapapansin nyo din dito guys, since they do have an event, meron sila ditong mga missions na dapat nyong tapusin. And by finishing these missions, guys, makakakuha kayo guys ng mga legendary na items. So kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, no, yung character natin level 52 pero lahat yan puro legendary na guys.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, meron din tayong nakuhang parang mythic ata tong rarity na to. Same thing with our accessories. I think ito lang yung butaw sa accessories natin, yung iron ring natin. But anyway, lahat ng yan guys, nakuha ko lang by finishing missions and also by getting resources on the freebies na makikita nyo dito sa mail. So usually guys, may records dito. Let's say for example, gumawa kayo ng bagong character, makakakuha kayo ng free pulls and everything. So, nakakuha din tayo guys ng epic costume. So, isa yun sa mga nakuha natin. So, meron tayong isang epic costume dito. And then, nakakuha din tayo ng isang epic guardian. So, we were lucky when we're pulling out yung mga free pulls na yon. So, makakuha rin kayo ng guys. Hopefully, makakuha rin kayo guys ng freebies para at least of course, etong mga pulls na to is magkaroon kayo and mas mabilis yung maging progress nyo. But anyway, so pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung tokenomics nila. So sabi nila dito, this is gonna be the new tokenomics moving forward dito kay Rome Golden Age. Now, before kasi guys, sabi ko nga kanina, iba yung way or methods on how you can actually make money in the game. Okay? But this one is a bit different because they tried to revamp it since they have a partnership with Cross, and Cross is actually supporting ROM as well with this campaign. Now, if you actually scroll down below, makikita nyo dito that the main focus of this tokenomics would be the Chrome X. Sabi nila dito, magkakaroon ng absolute scarcity, which means that it would not, over supply when it comes to the amount of the tokens. It will never exceed around 100 million. Okay, so yan na yung magiging final value niya. Now, kung mapapansin nyo guys, with a lot of MMOs in the past, okay, mabilis sa kanila yung pagbagsak dahil sa infinite minting ng tokens. Which means that wala siyang scarcity, wala siyang stability, and what would happen is it would definitely crash in value. So, ang goal ng team dito within the economy of the tokenomics that they just created for ROM is to have a value preservation. Yung value preservation, mape-preserve natin yung value ng token natin and we don't have to worry about, market crash. So, this is a limited supply. There's only 100 million total units of this, meaning to say, hindi tayo basta-basta makakakita ng pagbagsak ng tokens. Well, normally naman sa mga games talaga guys, ang goal ng ibang tao dyan is to have fun. But a lot of people are also considering this as a money-making method. And even ako naman guys, ganun din naman yung nagiging thinking ko pagdating sa mga MMO dahil RMK boys tayo. No? So, yun lang naman yung pinaka-reason kung bakit naglalaro tayo ng mga MMOs. Because we don't wanna waste our time and we don't wanna also just play the game. We also wanted to make money in the game. Okay? I think it's a part of it. Now, ito yung kanilang magiging distribution plan. So, they actually sold out 10 million Daya. Okay? And within the next couple of months, okay, lahat ng remaining tokens is going to be distributed through airdrop. Now, paano nga ba ikaw makakapag-participate sa airdrop at paano ka makakakuha ng malaking amount sa airdrop ni ROM Golden Age? So, dito, sabi nila, you have to actually play the game. So, yung world ranking system will be the basis on how you will be able to get these tokens. Alright? So, you have to play the game, you have to craft reputation quest, and once you're finishing or once you're crafting this reputation chest, you will be able to get rewarded in terms of ranks. Now, dito sa ranks na to, dito magbe-base yung T-Daya na makukuha mo na magiging allocations mo sa airdrop, and yung T-Daya na yan, yung i-convert mo into Chrome X. Okay? Ganun siya kasimple. So, sabi lang dito, ang gagawin mo lang naman para mag-rank dito sa ROM Golden Age is number 1, you have to complete requests. Number 2, you have to defeat bosses. And number 3, you have to do dungeons in PvP, whether it's guild dungeons or PvP dungeons. Okay, kailangan nyo mag-participate. So, that's the good thing about this is that you can always join guilds, no? Especially sa mga bagong server, pwede naman tayong gumawa ng guild, guys. So, sa mga gustong maglaro ng game na to para tulong-tulong tayo, you can actually join our Facebook page, guys. Talagay ko na lang yan dito sa video natin para at least makapag-join kayo. Okay? And then, mag-start tayo magpa-level dito. Okay? Now, ganun lang naman yung gagawin nyo, guys. So, again, repeat this system. So, complete requests, guild and battlefield, defeat bosses, play the game, craft reputation chest para makakuha kayo ng points for the calculations ng rank or to be included in the ranks. Okay? So dito, in-explain din naman nila yan guys. No? Dito naman nakalagay kung paano kayo makakakuha ng T-Daya. And this campaign will actually run month to month. So every month, magkakaroon sila ng allocations, just what you saw earlier. As well, nakita nyo naman na every month meron silang specific allocations. I think this would be running for about a year as well. Kasi kung ita-trajectory natin yung natitirang value or yung Daya na allocations nila, which is 100 million ata yun, no? Automatic yan guys that they will be catering all the upcoming months. Okay, kasi 8 months yan. Kumbaga parang 8 million per month eh. So, if we're going to compute it, probably it will take around 6 months to 1 year. So, let's see kung paano yung gagawin nila ditong strategy in terms of distributing these tokens. Okay? Now, Season 1 sale ends. So, tapos na yung sale ng Daya nila. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo dito, ito yung allocation nila. So, from Season 2 onward, T-Diamond is supplied only to the world ranking events or world ranking rewards. Okay, monthly season continue, driving scarcity competition, and long-term growth value. Okay, now the roadmap itself is February 12. You can actually mint and burn Chromex. Then it will be available, guys, sa Dex. Okay, it will be open on February 26. The first reward for Season 1 airdrop would be March 1, 2026, and cross-shop launch would be March 2026 as well. So mas maganda, guys, na ngayon pa lang makapagpa-level na kayo at makahabol na kayo dito kasi malaking opportunity to, guys, especially doon sa mga talagang nag-grind sa mga ganitong klase ng games. Okay? Now, they also have this special coupon for cross, okay? So, ang code niya is Chrome X token. So, I was able to claim it and I was able to use it in the game as well, okay? Now, guys, pag-usapan natin yung sa game. Okay? So, dito, as you can see, napaka-easy lang naman laruin itong game na to. All you just need to do is to always follow the mission in order for you to get these resources. And every time that you're leveling up, guys, you are getting something from it. But I'm gonna show you on the next video on how I level up faster. I think, guys, kaya nyo dito magpa-level 55 to 60 sa loob ng one day. Kahapon, half day ko pa lang ito pina-level, guys, pero we were at level 52. So, please make sure lang to also check kung gaano kabilis yung leveling kung kayo na nagpapa-level. It really depends sa time na i-spend nyo, guys. Pero ako, usually ino-auto-quest ko lang siya. Lahat auto-quest yan. So, hindi na ako masyadong nag-e-effort to go to specific part of the map. Alright, minsan ang ginagawa ko, tiniteleport ko na lang siya na ganyan, no? Kasi free naman. So after that, I just finish the quest and I will be able to level up. So I think kaya dito level 60 hanggang kahit nga 65 siguro kaya kung dire-diretso yung grinding nyo, guys. But anyway, yung in terms of like tips on what are the builds, what are the things that you need to do in the game, I'm gonna create another tutorial video for that. Hopefully meron kayo natutunan dito and sana pumaldo kayo sa airdrop. Hopefully ako din pumaldo dito kasi talagang i-grind ko yung game na to, guys, along with other games na papalabas pa lang sa Cross Network. So yun lang, guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. This is BM again, and if may questions kayo, clarifications or reactions, you can put it on the comment section. I hope this video helps you. And if you like this one, kindly share it with your friends. Share nyo rin sa mga tropa nyo na naghahanap ng opportunity to make money online by playing games. Yun lang, guys. And alam nyo na, kita-kits sa next video. Peace.